Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Manas Salopre. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering in Bangalore. My topic is case study of curcum means turmeric patent. Let's see. Abstract. Turmeric is widely used in India as a medicines, a food ingredient and a dye to name a few of its uses. In 1995, the United States awarded patent on turmeric to University of Mississippi Medical Center for wound healing property. The claimed subject matter was the use of turmeric powder for wound healing. The Indian Council for Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR has had objected to the patent granted. Introductions. Turmeric is a plant of a Gingiberaceae family which yields saffron colored rhizomes that have various uses. The use of turmeric was noted in the Vedic culture about 4000 years, where it was used a culinary spice and had some religion significance. Today, turmeric is cultivated widely in the tropical region and has different regional names. For example, in North India, it is commonly called as haldi, where in South India it is called manjal. Turmeric has a warm, bitter taste which is used in flavoring and coloring agent in cooking. Apart from the use of turmeric in cooking, it has several medicinal uses. Let's see medicinal uses of turmeric. In the ancient Indian medical systems, Ayurveda, a poultice of turmeric paste is used to treat common eyes infections and dress wounds, treat bites, burns, acne, and various skin diseases. It can be used to treat infections and pain. Do it can be used to treat inflammations and pain. It is an excellent cure for wounds and injuries. It is commonly used to treat osteoarthritis. The turmeric patent around around mid 1990s, this plant became the subject of a huge patent dispute. In 1995, the United the United States awarded patent on turmeric to University of Mississippi Medical Center for, for wound healing property. The claimed subject matter was the use of turmeric powder and its administrations, both oral as well as topical, for wound healing. The US patent number 54,504 on turmeric was awarded to the University of Mississippi Medical Center in 1995. It was specially awarded for the use of turmeric in wound healing. Claims covered in the turmeric. In 1995, the USPTO granted a US patent number 54 lakh 1504 to Dr. Suman K. Das and Hari Hara Kohli, two Indian American scientists at a University of Mississippi, for the use of turmeric in wound healing. Their six patent claims covered the oral or topical use of turmeric powder to heal surgery, surgical wound and wounds and ulcers. According to the United States patent number 54 lakh 1504, Das et al., the, the inventor assigned of the University for of the University of Mississippi Medical Center filed a patent on 18 December 1993. Their six claims are the quoted claims are as follows: the method of promoting healing of wounds in a patient, which consists essentially of administering of wound healing against consisting of the effective amount of turmeric powder to said patient. The, the method according to the first claim, wherein said turmeric is orally administered to said patient. The method according to the first claim, wherein said turmeric is topically administered to said patient. The method according to the first claim, wherein said turmeric in both orally and topically administered in said patient. The method according to the first claim, wherein said turmeric is wound is a surgical wound. The battle for Haldi, a re-examinations claim with USPTO was filed for the invalidations for patent applications by the Indian Council of Scientific and Industrial Research on October 1996, as the patent locked the element for novating on the ground of healing power of turmeric powder, which was already found in put into practice in India of ages. It was promoted by a legal challenges mounted by CSIR attorneys, who provided evidence that turmeric powder was a part of the traditional Indian knowledge based. It was being used in India for ages now as a wound healing against among other things, and was not a discovery of the US patents. It was counted to be the prior art as in India. It was already in use to treat wounds, cuts and rashes, and hence was not a newly discovered fact. In spite of being a well established fact that turmeric has been a household household ingredient in India for many years. At finding published literally informations as a can create ingredients to support the practice of using turmeric powder for wound healing purpose in India was a due to extensive researches. 32 researches were located in different languages, namely Sanskrit, Urdu, and Hindi, and also paper published in 1953 medical association to substantiate this claim. The patent was promptly challenged by Dr. R. A. Mashlekar as Indian scientist who has done much to awaken India to intellectual property rights issues. Conclusion: this documentation is a traditional knowledge help in the preservation, dissemination, use and management of the knowledge rather than the purpose of legal protections. Positive protections granted rights which enable communicates to promote their traditional knowledge, post a control and the use and benefit, hence protest against commercial exploitations. Some use of traditional knowledge can be protected through this existing intellectual property system. And thank you.